Hey guys, how do you do? And I just thought I should, share with you some thoughts about basically some things that I really miss while in flight school. And I need to be sincere as much as I can. And sincerely, guys, part of the things I really miss, like I really, really miss, is cooking. You know, um, especially then in university, and okay, secondary school we didn't have the opportunity to cook, but university I could cook anything I want to cook at any time. After classes, eat anything I want to eat, that kind of feeling. But here it just feels like I'm back to the kind of secondary school life. You wake up in a certain time, try to sleep in a certain time so you can wake up early, go to calf in a certain time. Like, guys, it's just so funny. That's just what I'm trying to say. Another part of it is not having the complete will I say freedom to just move out anytime without thinking, am I going to miss a test? Am I going to miss an exam? Blah blah blah. It's quite regimented. Trust me, it's really regimented. you know, having everything is timed. Classes timed, lunch timed, breakfast timed, dinner timed, like church timed. Guys, and you know how regimented that kind of life can be. You just have to. Okay, around what time do I sleep? I actually sleep around. Most of the time, I sleep around 10. Sometimes I sleep around 11. When I have exams, I sleep pretty late and wake up very early. So, the luxury of, sleeping anytime you want to sleep, waking up anytime you want to wake up. Though I think that's the life of a lazy person, trying to sleep anytime, wake up anytime. But these are some of the things that I just think, and I'm like, oh, I'm back to that regimented kind of life. But I think too it's part of the sacrifices you have to make to fulfilling your dreams and what you love. So don't mind me. I just thought I should share my thoughts with you, and I hope you don't get bored listening to me. And guys, seriously, in all these things I've mentioned, the sleeping part, the eating part is very most, like, that's the one that touches me the most, because sometimes I just want to eat afang soup, I want to eat edikaiko, I want to eat abacha. These funny things that you can just walk around in Port Harcourt and just pick and just like, okay, abacha please, that kind of stuff. Come to Zaria, there's no abacha, there's no nice, as in correct, this fancy kind of stew soup. And so, guys, basically those are the things I miss, and I've learned to just endure, because I know it's for a limited time anyways, and after now, better things, brighter things, more exciting things are going to be happening. So it's part of life. Thank you so much, guys, for giving a listening ear to my plenty talks. I actually appreciate, and to meet next time in the next video. Stay tuned till then. Bye.